Hi, Gotham. Hi, Bubby. Hey. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Yeah, they like you. I really think they like you better than they like me, right? No? What? What is it? What is it? What? What? Gotham! What? Come here. Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who's your good boy? Who is you? You're a good boy? You're a good boy? Yeah? Up, up, up. Sit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I mean, every time this fool's in here, you guys like him. So I'm gonna do my best to make sure I can get him in almost every video. Last week we were trying to install Victor's header, unequal length headers on his FRS. Failed miserably. Then we were gonna go, hey, let's go take it into the shop and see how much they charge. Up the ass. Then he said, you know what? Let me order the front pipe. That way we can just take off the overpipe and the front pipe altogether and we'll be fine. Okay, cool. Couple days later, it's back to order. So he already paid for it. It should be in maybe within 2 or 3 weeks, maybe a little longer. He's okay with that, and they're gonna get to him as soon as it's done. So today instead, we're gonna take it into a friend. He's pretty much gonna break the bolt off for us, and then we're gonna give the headers another try, because all we really have to, it was just that one bolt that we couldn't do. So I'm gonna go ahead and change. We're gonna go and take care of that real quick, and I'll see you guys at Victor's house. Earlier today, the video started like approximately 2 minutes ago from the start of this video. Maybe 3 minutes.
Could be.
So,
but they don't know that.
Yeah, they do. It's gonna be edited right.
Why?
Because I said so.
Alright, cool, I guess.
We're gonna do the exact same steps that we did last week. I'm not gonna film any of that. I'll get back to you guys when we take the header out. Dude, not bad. Header's out. That's the stock one at least. They're taking off the rest of the stuff. Look at that, look, a boxer engine's so weird. Like, Victor, that's your header. Like, that's your block. That's your engine. All of the above.
That is life.
Yeah, so now we're just gonna take off the overpipe. As Hector was holding the overpipe right here, he pushed it that way. The header, we pushed it this way and pretty much guided it out of the screws, or the holes at least. What size are you looking for?
Hey.
What?
Hey, sexy.
Hey, baby.
It's Gucci.
Long time no see. Why haven't you been in my fucking videos?
Because you don't invite me anymore.
Bitch.
How? Look, Victor's car is so new.
Civic gang.
When did you get an oil change, Victor?
Last week.
I was saying she's still brand new.
Alright, now we gotta take this off so it's easier to take this out.
Well, you gotta take it out anyways.
When I was at Disneyland, that's why I haven't come.
You didn't come in Disneyland?
I haven't come in Disneyland.
You should use your words wisely.
Nah.
Oh, there's one right on top too, by the way. Overpipe. We took off all its armor. I'm just playing. That's all the heat shield that was around it. A little bit of a pain, but you could just use a 10mm socket to get it out. And you should be fine. That's out. Look at that. And that's what's going to be on. You just feed it through. Safety.
I'm going right away.
Yeah, fool. You just got to take that shit out. Come on, fool. Con huevos, way. What if you're just tightening it the whole time? Well, one more time. One more time. Okay, right there. Oh, that's it. I should probably take it out. Woo! Wait, this is it?
That's it.
This is what costs like what, $100? Maybe more, depending on what car you have. Okay, all right. Let's put on the new one. Side by side. No, fool, right there. Side by side. Side by side view. You guys can see it. So I mean, Subaru did us a favor of bending this from factory for some reason. Perrin gave it all straight. That's probably us, actually. That's probably us when we tried taking it out. Not gonna lie. That's dope. After the sensors are back on the pipe, we're gonna go ahead and put everything back on and see how it is after. Header is on. Now we're just trying to get the over pipe on, which is already on. Now we just gotta bolt it. And you can see the header from here. That is sick. Huge difference from stock. Is the over pipe connected to the front pipe?
No, really, not yet.
Okay. That bolt right there, Victor grabbed. We used 2 wrenches, 2 14s, one from the top and then one from the back. So that one was from the front, that's the back per se. So the one on the front, he went through the top of the engine, put his hand down there, and it gave us better leverage. So we can tighten that one up. That one took forever. This one's the last one we need to do, and then we can turn on the car to see if we have any leaks. To see if we have any exhaust leaks. Listo, mijo?
I think so.
Alright, Victor. Would you like to do the honors and turn on the car?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on, give me a sec. So David's calling me. What are you looking at? Oh, is that Rodney?
Yep.
Damn. What tire size did you have? I saw 215 by something.
I think we were like 245, you said.
No. How wide is he?
By 8?
Oh, okay.
Well, I mean, him or the wheel. He's kind of fat.
That's fucked up.
That's my boy. Shout out to Rodney.
Alright, Victor. Oh! Turn it back off!
What?
I never connected the sensors back
Oh my god!
Seriously?
I never connected the sensors back on.
Why?
That was the whole point, like...
I didn't connect the sensors back on.
Hold on.
That's my fault! That's my fault! That's my fault!
So why did Victor have a check engine light on, Victor? Or Tony? Why did he have a sense?
I had him just... I had both sensors just sitting like that. I didn't click it. Okay, now turn it on. So now you should have the rumble.
Tony, dude.
That's my fault. I'm so sorry.
Hey Victor, want me to get up and connect your sensors?
The shit.
Wow.
Hey man, take 2. There it is. There's that Subaru rumble.
You guys know anything like exhaust leaks?
What'd you think?
Exhaust leaks?
You don't hear from up here.
No.
You hear from down there.
Unless it's like drastic.
Smoke is normal, guys. Smoke is normal. Explain to them why.
I don't know why.
Really? Oh. But smoke is normal.
You just said why, so you could say it.
But it's because it's a new pipe.
It's the new piping, yeah. And
So-
then you're gonna see some coming out of the bay because all the oil from your hands if you're not wearing gloves and shit.
So,
Damn, look at that header though.
I don't hear anything. Like, I don't hear a... Go ahead and go get your open flash tablet. Big dog.
Well, I'm gonna put the splash guards back on.
Oh, that's right. We should probably do that right now then. You know, whoever invented corn with mayo, cheese, butter, and chili,
They're the real MVP.
shout out to you. Hey, big dog. You got some right there on your beard.
I got some white stuff on my beard.
All right, we are done. As of right now, we're actually gonna go for a test drive in a bit after he reflashes his car. He actually has an, what is it called? Open flash tablet?
Yeah.
Open flash tablet. Basically a Honda for Hondas, but open flash tablet for the BRZ FRS platform. Everybody out there saying he's gonna need a custom tune. We know. We already know where we're gonna go. We're just gonna be waiting for the front pipe to come in, install that, and then we'll start looking for the custom tune. Your dad's just watching right there. He just walked back in, yeah. Oh yeah, dude, that's a difference. The look on your, the smile on your face says it all, dude.
Wow.
That's a difference, dude. Even at like barely just going.
It is. It's crazy.
Just in case you guys are wondering if unequal length headers are worth it.
Yeah.
Dude, look at how happy this guy is. That's dope. I mean, it sounds really good. We're not gonna open throttle it. We're not gonna open throttle it yet. We're gonna wait till the check engine light goes out because it's idling weird. So the ECU is just reprogramming itself. We'll do sound clips later if you guys really want to see how it sounds. Again, it's still missing the front pipe. So once the front pipe gets on that car, it's gonna sound a lot better. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Stay classy. Peace.
Palo.
Imagine if it was like crooked, that'd be so weird, man. But think about it, like you can just arc her back and just. Oh wait, we're in front of a school. Anyways,